Now I wanted to show you another way that I used this same style of conversation hearts. And in this illustration, you can see that I just drew a pretty simple stick girl, and she's holding one of the hearts. And I thought this would make a really cute card. So I used a dark pink background, and then I'm going to create a new layer, and I'm going to get white, and I'm going to use a brush from my geometric shapes brushes that you'll find in my shop. And I'm going to use the geometric 2 thick, and I'm just going to stamp that. Make sure I'm on the right layer first, and I'm just going to stamp that in the middle of my card. Get the move tool, move it into position, and yes, this looks kind of funny, but now I'm just going to use color drop and drop the outside of the shape and then in the center of the shape. And it's kind of a cool geometric look, so it's just another fun way to use those brushes. And you could use any of these shapes to create a similar effect. I hope you've had fun with this tutorial. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Please tag Studio Kitsch Design on Instagram. See you next time.